Here is a situation that more and more people are finding themselves in. You need to get something done. Write an email, research a topic, organize your files, generate an image, write some code, and you open your browser and you have got ChatGPT bookmarked, Claude bookmarked, maybe Gemini bookmarked, and Cowork sitting in your taskbar. And instead of just getting the thing done, you spend 5 minutes wondering which one to open. Or worse, you just default to whichever one you used last, even if it is not the best tool for what you actually need right now. If that sounds familiar, this video is going to fix that permanently. Because the goal is not to pick one AI tool and be loyal to it forever. The goal is to know, quickly and confidently, which tool is the right one for the job in front of you. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, simple framework for making that decision every single time. No more guessing, no more defaulting, no more feeling vaguely overwhelmed by options. Let us start by naming the main players, because you cannot compare tools you have not been properly introduced to. There are 4 that matter most for everyday use right now, and they come from 3 companies. First is ChatGPT, built by OpenAI. This is the one that started the mainstream AI conversation in late 2022. The one most people have heard of even if they have never used it, and still one of the most capable and versatile AI tools available. Second is Claude, built by Anthropic. Claude came up in detail in the last video. Thoughtful, nuanced, exceptionally strong with long documents and complex writing tasks, and built around a philosophy of honesty and careful reasoning. Third is Gemini, built by Google. Gemini is Google's answer to the chatbot revolution, and its single biggest advantage is deep integration with the Google ecosystem. Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Search. If your life runs on Google products, Gemini sits more naturally inside your existing workflow than either of the others. And fourth is Cowork, also built by Anthropic, which we covered in the previous video. Unlike the other 3, Cowork is not a browser-based chatbot. It is a desktop application that works directly with the files and folders on your computer, designed specifically for automating repetitive file and task management without any coding required. Now, before we get into the comparison, there is one mindset shift that will save you a lot of confusion and wasted time. These tools are not competitors in the way that Pepsi and Coke are competitors, where you pick one and ignore the other. They are more like different tools in a toolbox. A hammer and a screwdriver are not competing. They do different things. You reach for whichever one the job requires. The most effective AI users are not the ones who found the best AI tool. They are the ones who have a clear mental model of what each tool does well and have stopped wasting energy on the question of which one is best overall. There is no best overall. There is only best for this specific task right now. So let us build that mental model. The clearest way to do this is to take the most common tasks people actually need AI for and map them to the tool that handles each one best. Starting with writing and editing. If you need help writing, editing, rewriting, improving or restructuring text, whether that is an email, a report, a script, a proposal, a social media post, or anything else, both ChatGPT and Claude handle this extremely well. For shorter, quicker writing tasks where you need something turned around fast, ChatGPT is excellent and its output is consistently strong. For longer, more nuanced writing, content that needs a specific tone, a particular voice, or a careful balance of competing considerations, Claude tends to produce more refined results. It is better at following layered stylistic instructions and at maintaining consistency across long pieces. For writing tasks that live inside Google Docs or Gmail specifically, Gemini's direct integration means you can get AI assistance without ever leaving the document you are working in, which is genuinely convenient. For document reading and analysis, taking a long PDF, report, contract, research paper, or any large piece of text and extracting meaning from it, Claude is the strongest option by a significant margin. Its context window, meaning the amount of text it can process in a single session, is substantially larger than the others, and its ability to reason carefully across a long document without losing track of details buried deep in the middle is consistently impressive. If your work regularly involves reading, summarizing, or interrogating long documents, Claude should be your default for that task. For web browsing and real-time information, tasks that require knowing what is happening in the world right now, pulling in recent news, or researching topics where the latest information matters? This is where ChatGPT with its browsing feature and Gemini with its native Google search integration have a clear edge. Claude has web search capability in certain versions, but Gemini in particular benefits from being built by the company that owns the world's most powerful search engine. For anything where recency matters, where you need to know what happened last week or what the current state of something is, Gemini or ChatGPT with browsing enabled are the smarter reach. For image generation, actually creating visual content from a text description, ChatGPT has DALL-E built directly into the interface, which means you can go from a text prompt to a generated image without leaving the conversation. This is a capability neither Claude nor Cowork offer natively, and it makes ChatGPT the clear choice for any task that involves creating visual assets from scratch. Gemini also has image generation capabilities through Google's ImageN model. If image creation is a regular part of your workflow, ChatGPT or Gemini are the tools to reach for. For coding help, writing code, debugging errors, explaining what a piece of code does, suggesting improvements, or helping you build something technical, both ChatGPT and Claude are genuinely excellent. And for most coding tasks, the difference between them is small enough that personal preference matters more than capability. Claude Code, which is a separate command line tool built specifically for developers, goes significantly deeper for professional software development work, but that is covered in a later video. For automating files and repetitive desktop tasks, the kind of work that involves your actual computer, your actual folders, batch processing files, extracting information from documents at scale, Cowork is the only tool in this list that actually operates at the level of your desktop. The other three are browser-based chatbots. They can give you instructions for how to do things. Cowork actually does them. If the task involves files on your computer, Cowork is the answer. For quick questions and general knowledge, the kind of thing where you just need a fast, reliable answer and do not have a complex follow-up chain of reasoning in mind, all four tools handle this adequately, and the differences between them are minimal. In this case, whichever one you already have open is fine. Do not overthink it. Now let us talk about cost, because for a lot of people, the budget question is the real deciding factor. The good news is that all four tools have meaningful free tiers that are genuinely useful, not just trial versions designed to frustrate you into paying. ChatGPT's free tier gives you access to a capable version of the model and is more than enough to understand what the tool can do and get real value from it daily. Claude's free tier similarly gives you access to a strong version of the model with a generous usage allowance. Gemini is free to use with a Google account and integrates with free Google Workspace tools. Cowork has a free tier that covers a meaningful amount of desktop automation work each month. If you decide to pay, both ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro cost around $20 a month, and both unlock the most powerful versions of their respective models, higher usage limits, and additional features. For most people who use these tools seriously for work, that $20 delivers a return in saved time that makes it an easy decision. But it is genuinely not necessary to start. Begin with the free tiers, understand what each tool does, identify which ones you actually use regularly, and then make a considered decision about where it makes sense to invest. Here is the practical rule of thumb that cuts through all the complexity. When you sit down with a task and are not sure which tool to reach for, ask yourself three questions. First, does this task involve files on my computer that need to be organized, renamed, or processed at scale? If yes, reach for Cowork. Second, does this task involve a long document that I need to read, understand, or interrogate in depth? If yes, reach for Claude. Third, does this task require current, real-time information from the web, or do I need to generate an image? If yes, reach for ChatGPT with browsing or Gemini. The broader point to take away from this video is that we are living in a moment where genuinely powerful AI tools are available to anyone with an internet connection and a free account. You now have that foundation. The next step is going deeper into specific use cases, starting with one of the most immediately practical applications that almost anyone can benefit from, regardless of their industry or background. That is coming up in the next video. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and I will see you there.